everybody, so today I'm going to be talking to you guys about this Vector 1600 amp lithium jump starter and USB power bank. Now first I did want to say thank you to Bacchus Global LLC for sending me this amazing unit at no cost to me to give my unbiased opinion. So here is this amazing unit. Isn't this cute? This is a wonderful little unit right here. Here's your power button. It shows you by the lights lighting up. It shows you where your charge is at. Right now it's full, and that's your power button, of course. It has a really nice LED light on the end, which is really great for nighttime if you got to work on your car. You know, even if you heaven forbid, even if you have a flat tire or something, you got a light right here. You don't have to worry about batteries or anything. And also, on the end here, we have a USB and USB-C port. So obviously, you can charge your phone. Like my phone is a USB-C, which I can charge my phone with this, which is really great. So, you know, even in the car, if I take off out of the house and my phone is really low and I need to charge it, I don't have a cigarette lighter in my car, so I can just plug my phone right into here and you're good to go. And by the time I get to my destination, my phone's charged. I like that idea. I really, really like that idea. Now, it also has right here the engine start. This is where you're going to plug in, if I can get it open. It also has your jumper cables right here. And this is where you're going to plug this section, and you're going to plug this into here. You're going to plug this in. And that's what's going to jump your car. Now, it also comes with its own USB plug right here and cord, probably maybe about 2 feet long. And I just make sure before I leave the house that it's fully charged. So I'm going to go over some of the specifications with you. So as a jump starter, the 1600 peak amps of starting power instantly jump starts cars and trucks up to 8 cylinders. That's good to know because my other car was 8 cylinders. This one's 4. A lot of people still have the 8 cylinders, which is great. That was powerful. Also the USB charger. You can charge computers, laptops, tablets, phones, gaming devices, and more. A lot of times we may have, our little children, have a little gaming device in the car, and they're like, oh, mommy, it's not working. So, you know what? Pull out your Vector and plug it in. Charge that unit. Charge it, and you'll have quiet driving time while someone's playing their game. So it comes with the AC, DC, and USB adapters to help you recharge from practically anywhere. The Engine Start Smart Controller provides reverse polarity protection to ensure that jumper cables are connected properly. Now, I explained this last time that, there was a time that I did not know how to connect any of these to my batteries, but it actually does show you on the unit. It has, let me see if I can put this right up here. It'll show you whether you're connected properly or not. And that's a good thing. There it goes. That's a good thing to have because a lot of times we may not know how to connect them, but this helps you. So the small portable power, now it is compact size. I'm going to go ahead and show you. I'm going to show you with the measuring tape. We're looking at about 7 inches across to about 3 inches tall, and this is about an inch thick. So 7 by 3 by an inch. So it's pretty nice size, very small. I love it. Can you guys see it right there? Very nice unit right there. It comes with all this on the back, the caution and everything comes with everything to explain to you what to do. And the bright light, like I showed you before, this bright light right here is good for like if you have any car repairs, you're stuck somewhere, or if you're going for a walk somewhere, you pull this out of your purse and have a really nice, powerful light. I know I don't carry batteries with me, so this I'll carry with me, but I don't really carry batteries. So if your battery's going your flashlight, what do? So you always connect the 120 volt AC USB charging adapter to the power source before connecting to the unit. That's very important. and it's something that they really specify here. Now I'm going to read a little something to you, which is on the website for Vector. It's going to help explain a little bit more about the unit. It says the Vector SS16LV is a portable jump starter and USB power bank in a small take-along size. 1600 peak amps of starting power instantly jump-starts cars and trucks up to 8 cylinders. The powder-coated metal clamps are included. These are the powder-coated metal clamps. These are nice. They're very thick, very solid. They're not flimsy little tiny thin plastic, and they're really, really nice. The engine start smart controller provides reverse polarity protection that I just explained a few minutes ago, so you're not going to end up hooking it up wrong. It's going to tell you. It's going to show a green light when it's working properly or when you're connected properly. It's going to show a red light, a warning light that it's not connected properly. And again, about the bright light does help for repairs after dark. It's very, very bright. It's a very nice light. You can put your confidence in Vector because they have been delivering quality products for over 25 years. It's a long time. And again, that's a very solid unit. I really, really like it. It does say it weighs 0.86 pounds. It's very, very small. It's not heavy. It's not heavy. And you can carry it anywhere. It's almost like, well, maybe like a cell phone. It's not that heavy. Maybe a tablet or something. But again, plugging your phone to charge, plugging your tablet, things like that. A lot of times, you know, I do go camping, and it's nice to have this with me because I may not have a place to charge my phone. And I do like to watch my programs. So I will be able to plug my phone to charge it up, and it's good to go, and it's wonderful. And I really, really love it. And I have another purse demonstration. I have another purse demonstration. So we can go and we can take this and we can put it right in our purse, just like that. Right in the purse. And you know what? You're good to go. You just take it along with you. It's very, very light. Actually, it weighs less than my wallet. Actually, my cell phone, my wallet, and everything is pretty light. Actually, too, I think, actually, this will actually go in the side pocket, too. That goes in the side pocket. So I don't have to have it in the main part of my purse. So there you go. Nice, nice. And it's good to go. It's very, very light. And you're ready to go shopping. And, you know, you might find yourself in a situation where maybe you're at the store shopping all day. A lot of us like to do it. Maybe we're shopping and, you know, you're not going to be able to sit down and plug your phone in or go to the food court and plug in your phone or something. So, you know what? Plug this in right in your purse and plug it into the unit, charge your phone, and your phone's always going to be charged. This is one thing that this is great for. And of course, the other thing is the actual jumping of your car. That rarely happens, but when it happens, it's good to be prepared. And that's what I'm all about, is preparedness for situations. And with this, being a power bank and a jump starter is amazing. I hope you guys check this out. I'm going to put a link in the description under this video, somewhere down here over there. And I'm going to put a link down there and you guys can take a look at it. And I hope you check it out. And you know what? If any of you guys have tried this before, please let me know in the comments section because I'd like to know your opinion as well. I've certainly had a great time with it and I plan on having it for many, many years. It's very sturdy. Take care of our units and be careful with them. And with that being said, again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I want to say to everybody, I want to say thank you to Blackness Global LLC and Vector. And also, be kind to others, share a smile. You just might make someone's day. Have a great day, everyone.